It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
It's got to be 5 o'clock somewhere. Welcome to liveaboardcruising.com. You can see the screenshots there. You can find us on the web and find us on at our website and on YouTube. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also join the website for live updates. We're going to be showing you what we got done on the boat this past week that we were trying to finish up a lot of things that we missed getting done over the winter. Some of it includes the Bumpkin. We got the Bumpkin all bolted up, still need to put the woodwork around it, get the eye bolts in. It was a challenge getting the Bumpkin done. You can see I was in and out of the hole, had to grab a hammer and beat the heck out of a thing or two. And it was just a tight fit. Kathy was showing us there wood on the Bumpkin. And bowsprit got it put up in place, bolted to the Samson post. Also did a lot of work on where the old vents were in the top of the boat. It was butchered so bad from the previous owner. I'm not a fiberglass repairman by no means, but I do think it looks a little better than it did. Get a little lumpy on the fiberglass. That's before. A lot of fairing and sanding to get it to that point. It was just unreal how bad a job they had done trying to patch it back up. Looking down the boat there, it's just, I can't wait to see water in front of it. And then we got air conditioning work where we put the rest of the ductwork back on top of the unit, put a new vent down below the settee, and showing some of the woodwork that Kathy helped get stained and polyurethaned. Dixie May, our guard dog. Here's what it looking like after we got the trim on the inside. We got most all inside cabin done. Still got to do the head and the V-berth. Redid my electrical panel. That was a job that needed to be done. I didn't like the first deal that I did with it. Well, at this point, the engine's in the boat and sitting in the bottom of the engine room. It's a beautiful sight. We're so excited to be getting this close to having everything done. Now we'll just need to come back and I've got to build a fiberglass foundation for it and bolt her down and hook everything up. Hope you enjoyed it. Welcome to Live Aboard Cruising, sailing 4 winds.